Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 12, topic halving principle with final hooks N or F. These are the exercises 87, 88 and 89. Let's start with exercise number 87 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Gentlemen, recently I bought a book in your book department as a gift for a friend of mine. I found, however, when I gave it to him that he already has a copy of this volume. If you do not mind, I will return it and select a different book of equal value. Yours truly. Gentlemen, please supply us with 30 barrels of the same kind of Portland cement that you supplied to us on the 3rd of June at the usual trade terms. We want this shipment delivered to our own Pyre number 92. Yours very truly. Our magazine has been successful to an extent beyond our best hopes. It is now in its 3rd year. In the 2nd year, we more than doubled the number of readers, and now in its 3rd year, we hope to treble the number. Every month, it has been necessary to print more copies than the month before. With the current issue, we have achieved a new high mark. You will note that the magazine is bigger and better than ever, and the number of readers is larger than ever. Next is exercise number 88 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. A man who wished to employ a safe driver asked each applicant how near he could drive a car to the edge of a cliff. One said a foot, a second said 6 inches. The third did not know. He had not tried. He got the job. Gentlemen, you will see from the enclosed statement of your account that settlement is very much overdue. When the shipment was sent to you, you told us that you would make payment within the usual 30 days. In fact, you stated when we opened the account with you that you planned to take advantage of the cash discount generally allowed for payment within 10 days. You have not observed the terms of your agreement, and we feel that we have deserved better treatment. We must point out that we cannot run a successful business unless the generally accepted rules regarding credit are observed. We want to treat you fairly, but we can not extend the time for payment more than we have already. We must ask you to accept the draft for the full amount due, which we have drawn on you through your bank today. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 89 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, please be kind enough to supply the items on the attached list as soon as possible. At the present moment, there is an active demand for them, and we hope that we can count on having them within 3 days. If you find that you cannot supply them within that time, please inform us by return. Please note that the exact items specified are to be supplied. If you are out of stock of any of the items, do not supply different articles. Anything that is not exactly as specified should be returned. Yours truly. So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 12, topic halving principle with final hooks N और F. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.